it's Cadence, and if you like this video, please subscribe. And don't forget to subscribe. And today we are doing 4 bot challenge, 3 bot slime challenge is. So we have a cloud. It smells delightful. We have mix and mash, and it has little beads in it.
Show them. You gotta show them the top.
It has little beads in it. If you can see, it feels weird. And we have this. This is not slime, it's putty. So, yeah, we're gonna get. So we have the first one right here. You saw this in another video. So we're gonna flatten it out for the slime bubble. Slime bubble.
Eventually,
It goes to the down and dang it, no bubble. Now, slime swirl. Slime swirl. Not good, not good, no.
let's see it.
It was not good.
Oh no! Oh no!
Stretch it out. And try to swirl it again. That's pretty good. It's pretty good if you want to see.
Smushed. Done.
No. No bubbles today. So, oh, right. Pokeability. No.
Seems pretty pokey.
No, it's not. It has to make clicky sounds, and it did not.
Like a
make
farting sound?
Yeah.
Oh.
Next slime we have is this weird, hard feeling slime. And it's super thick. You can see how thick that is.
Will you zoom in? Cool. Ew, I can hear it. That's disgusting. Ew.
Slime bubble first. I don't know how that's going to work out with this hard slime. Now, you have, see? This is big.
Whoa. Look at it drip. Oh my gosh.
That didn't work. Again. I want to give this one. So, I want to give this one.
That sounds gross.
I want to give this one another chance because that was my fault. Mine. Okay, it's not gonna work.
Do it fast.
But,
Oh, oh, oh. Oh no.
okay, no more. Slime swirl.
That's disgusting.
Slime swirl. This is probably gonna do good. That looks like, no, it doesn't smell, but that looks good.
Okay.
Yeah, I heard a few. Now pokeability. Can you hear it? Yep, I can hear it, but you probably can't. I'm just saying. So that one gets a 5 out of 10. I'm just saying. The other one gets like it failed slime swirl. It failed pokeability. It failed slime bubbles. So it gets a 0 out of 0. Next we have this neon pink.
Show them.
Neon pink.
Mmm.
Putty.
I think it's pretty.
Yeah, it is.
Pretty putty.
That's why it's called neon. It's neon. Like, I have to get this out. It doesn't smell good, though. I'm just testing if they smell good. Yeah. I got it. It
First test, can't get out.
That's hilarious. Alrighty. Alright. So this is Puddy, so it feels a little hard.
It's supposed to spread, like stretch though, I guess.
Alright, let's try. Slime's Puddy bubble. Let's try Puddy bubble. Not gonna work.
See how far it stretches.
Oh, alright, slime swirl next.
Stretch. More.
No, it has to go like that.
Oh, okay.
Again, that was my fault. Mine.
There he goes.
I have to do it like this.
Oh, there you go.
Come on, stay. Stay!
Very cool.